Hello students, our next chapter of maths is chapter number 10, measurement of length. Suppose in the previous days people used their body parts to measure the length. Suppose I use this much length, but in that time we are using many things to measure the length. The first one is this scale. You are using this scale to measure the length. Suppose I have to measure the length of this marker. From this it is of 13 centimeter. You can check the length of anything. This duster also you can check. This is of 15 centimeter. If you want to check the length of this board, then you can use this inch tape and check the length, that it is 36 inches. So in this way you can check the length of all the things. So there are two standard units. The first one is meter. You can measure the length in meters. The second one is centimeters. You can check the length in centimeters. Meter, centimeter, inches, feet, etc. In many ways we will check, but today we will discuss meters and centimeters. Now we solve some examples. In your first exercise, meter. First is 33 meter and 58 meter. Add these two. 8 plus 3, 11. Write 1 here and 1 is carry. Next 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So it becomes 91 meter. Next is 41 meter and 49 meter. 9 plus 1, 10. Always write the number that is on your right hand right here and the other number carry. Okay. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Next is centimeter. The first is 30 centimeter, 33 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Now add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 0, 5, right? 5 here. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So it becomes 75 centimeters. So you can solve your exercise 10.1. In this there are sums of subtraction and addition. Today first we discuss addition, now we discuss subtraction. Meter. 43 and 36. Now let's see, 6 is greater than 3. We cannot subtract the 6 number from 3. So first we take a borrow. It becomes 13 and it becomes 3. 13 minus 6, 7 and 3 minus 3, 0. Next one is 35, 25. 5 minus 5, 0. 3 minus 2, 1. It becomes 10 centimeter. There is only one exercise in this chapter, so solve all the sums on your notebook. Your homework is solve exercise 10.1 on your notebook. And also try to solve the other examples of addition and subtraction. Thank you.